Hello everyone. In this video, I'll introduce you to Telescope, a web-based log viewer designed for exploring and analyzing log data stored in ClickHouse. Telescope offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to search, filter, and analyze logs. Now, I'll briefly show you how to search and filter logs in Telescope. Let's take a look at the Explorer page. Its interface is similar to other log analysis tools. Unlike some other tools, Telescope clearly separates the configuration of which fields to display and how they are presented from the filtering settings used to retrieve the log data. It is broadly divided into two main sections: Controls, for configuring how the data is displayed and filtered, and Results, for displaying the retrieved data. The field selector is responsible for configuring which fields are displayed and how they are presented. The query selector is responsible for filtering the data. There is also a limit selector, which controls the maximum number of rows that can be retrieved and displayed, and a time selector, which defines the time range for searching log data. Now that we've covered the interface and its key components, let's talk about how queries work in Telescope and how we can filter log data. Telescope uses FlyQL as its query language for filtering log data. FlyQL is designed to provide a balance between flexibility and simplicity, allowing users to construct powerful queries without needing to write raw SQL. A query consists of one or more conditions connected by Boolean operators. Each condition compare is a key with a value using a specific operator. Let's assume you have configured ClickHouse to store its logs internally. In this case, your log table might have a schema similar to this. Now, let's see how we can work with this data in Telescope. First of all, you can customize which fields are displayed if the default selection for this source doesn't suit your needs. The field selector provides suggestions and auto-completion based on the available schema, making it easier to find the fields you need. Next, let's define a time range for our query using the time selector. Now, let's start with a basic equality operator. This is how you can filter data for an exact match. If you need a partial match, you can use the asterisk. For example, this will match any row where the message starts with flush. The same works for the not equals operator, where you can exclude values using partial matches as well. The highlighted section on the graph represents the currently visible data based on the selected time range and filters. If you adjust the time range and reload the data, the highlighted area will update to reflect the new selection. You can also select a range directly on the graph to quickly retrieve and display logs for that specific time period. Click on a row to view detailed information about a specific record and use fast filters to efficiently refine your data. Use the colon notation to access data in JSON objects, maps, or arrays, making it easy to filter and extract specific values from structured log entries. Use fields modifiers to customize the visual representation of your data.